Adverse conditions can significantly impact outcomes, creating unfavorable or hostile environments. How to navigate these challenges is crucial for success. Recognizing adverse situations allows for strategic planning and effective response, minimizing negative effects and fostering resilience. An assailant is someone who attacks violently, either physically or verbally. It's used in contexts where identifying aggressive behavior is necessary. Recognizing an assailant's actions can help in addressing and mitigating hostile situations effectively. Confront means to meet face-to-face, often as a challenge. It involves directly addressing a situation or person, requiring courage and determination. This action is crucial in resolving conflicts and overcoming obstacles, as it allows individuals to address issues head-on and find solutions. Contemporary, as an adjective, refers to something existing or occurring in the same period as oneself. As a noun, it describes a person living at the same time. It helps in analyzing historical contexts and cultural developments, providing insights into how individuals and events are interconnected across time. Depict means to portray or represent something visually, often through art or illustrations. It involves creating a picture that conveys a specific message or story, capturing the essence of the subject matter. Think of how visual representations can communicate complex ideas effectively. Groundless refers to something lacking a valid reason or justification. It describes claims or actions that are unsupported by evidence or logic, often leading to misunderstandings or false assumptions. Recognizing groundless statements is crucial for critical thinking and informed decision-making. A hypocrite is someone who feigns qualities or beliefs they do not possess, often acting in a way that contradicts their stated principles. This duplicity can undermine trust and credibility, as their actions reveal a disparity between their public persona and true character. A mimic is someone skilled in imitating others, often for entertainment or satire. As a verb, to mimic means to imitate someone's actions or speech, sometimes humorously. This skill can highlight unique traits or behaviors, offering both amusement and insight into human nature. Serene describes a state of tranquility and calmness, often associated with a peaceful environment or a clear, storm-free sky. It conveys a sense of majesty and grandeur, free from emotional turmoil. It's for describing settings or moments that evoke a sense of peace and clarity. Sheepish describes a state of embarrassment or shyness, often characterized by a timid demeanor. This adjective captures the essence of someone who feels awkward or self-conscious, much like a sheep's meek nature. It helps in recognizing subtle emotional cues in social interactions.